Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to Will It Shave Wednesday. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. It is Wednesday and it is time for a shave. So imagine that you're on vacation and you've got your soap by Shannons Soap Company, and it's Pina colada, and you've got your razor, and you've already whipped up your soap in your Captain's Choice copper bowl with your beautiful Trotter's handcraft brush, and you go to load your blade, and you realize, oh my goodness, I forgot my blades at home. What do? Where do you go? Well, do you remember the video of the Dollar Tree razor? Well, I've never used these particular blades except for in this razor, or one like it. This is a new one. And I was in the Dollar General and I saw these blades. So if you have your shave set up already ready to go, but you need some blades, would these be good enough to get you by? That's what we're going to try today. So I had my beautiful wife load these two razors up with the blades, and I'm going to post up here what they are. I will do that after the shave with some video editing skills. And so let's go back and talk about the soap. This is the Shannons soap, and it's the Pina colada, and it really does smell like it. It's a nice scent. Okay, so we've covered that, and you already seen that I had my lather whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm ready to get my shave going. Have you ever went on vacation or a short trip and happened to forget your blades? Let me know in the comments below. What did you do? Did you have to break down and get a disposable razor, or were you able to find blades locally somewhere else? I know Walgreens and CVS, I do believe, now carry the King C Gillette blades, and they will show up on the showdown at some point. So I've got my face lathered up, and the scent, very nice. Okay, well, here is razor number 1, and let's go ahead and get our shave going. It's cutting, it's not real smooth, and I can tell you there is quite a bit of hair left behind. It's, I don't know. I mean, it doesn't feel as bad as the Oshkosh blades, but there's a lot to be desired. Okay, here is razor 2. And let's get our, ooh. This blade is not very sharp either. But I will say, this side feels like it's got more hair left behind. This side feels better. Actually, it feels like it's smoothing out a little bit, but still not my favorite. If I was to say 1 through 10, the rating, the blade on this side is probably a 3.5. let's go back on with this side. Yeah, this one is a lot rougher. I would say scale 1 to 10, probably a 2. Not very good. Oh yeah, definitely more hair left with this one. So let's go ahead and take the... My wife must have one of those things. Forearm grips. And I don't know what blade this is. Is it? Okay. So, does it say on this side? Okay, so this blade here, this is the Dollar Tree blade. The Dollar General blade had the little arrows pointing on it. And so I will say this is the Blade Showdown. So the Dollar Tree, or the Dollar General blade won in this competition. So let me go ahead. My face is a little dry since I still can't bend over. Gotta wet the face with the mister. Let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 2, which is going to be across the grain. I need to pick up the aftershave splash for this one. I did take a little trip down to Mexico, and I had no issues with taking the blades. Of course, they couldn't be in the razor. Who would want to travel with the blades in the razor anyway? But I had some on my carry-on, and I had some in my bag that they stowed away underneath the plane. And they made it through security with no problem. Most people probably don't even know what those blades are. All right, so here we go with the winning blade. And these blades were $1 for 10. No, there was 5 in there. So they're really kind of expensive compared to if you buy blades on Amazon in a 100-pack. So I wouldn't go run to Dollar General and try to buy 100 of them. It's going to be more than what you want to spend. But if you were in a pinch, these would work. I got a little spot there. I think that's just a ingrown hair or something. I don't know. This blade is definitely, I mean, you can get crazy and cut yourself, but it's not sharp enough to really, it would probably cause some ingrown hairs because it's kind of, you know, pulling more on the hair before it cuts it. And by that pulling motion, it's going to pull the hair out of the follicle and then cut it. And then that hair is going to fall beneath the level of the skin, and irritation may occur. All right, well, I definitely could use a third pass, but I know better than to do that. So I will live with a mediocre shave today. So real quick, I'm going to go rinse my face with cold water, and I will be right back. All right, well, the cold water rinse was nice. I'm going to follow that up with some Stirling Glacial Unscented Aftershave. Absolutely zero sting or burn. I don't know why I would ever think I would have that. And I'm going to use some Star Jelly. I don't know how many more pumps I can get out of that. Well, I'm going to put a picture right here of the stuff that I used for today. That was not enough Star Jelly for the neck. Yeah, I guess that's a little ingrown hair. All right, so that is the shave for today. Please consider subscribing, liking, or sharing the videos. That way I know what I should keep doing or not doing. And if you didn't like it, hit the dislike. All right, well, that's my shave. I will see you guys on Sunday Shave. You have a great rest of your week.